What we want to do is we want to be bigger, faster, stronger. And that's an old cliche from the football world.
Fourth down, we got to score.
At this point in the year, becoming a better athlete is their goal. We want to get bigger, we want to get faster, we want to get stronger.
Lamar Sports Performance definitely has the technology to make any athlete better, stronger, faster. For the Lady Cards, getting to that goal this summer didn't involve taking one shot on the court.
That's that Z route. What you know about that?
That's right. On this day, the Lamar women's basketball team trained for the upcoming season on the football field.
The season ended a little, sooner than everyone hoped for. So since season ended, everyone's got the mindset of, okay, we need to win. So we take that out onto the, football field in that case, and no one likes to lose. So we've been being competitive all around since season ended.
I'm so competitive, so any sport, football was good. I like football.
Usually you would think with a basketball team we would run inside. But during the summer we want to change up and we play football. We want to put them in a competitive situation, but also something where it can be high intensity.
The game of touch football for the Lamar women's basketball team was, as one might expect, intense. It goes back to the word we've used before, competition, and that ultimate goal of making the Lady Cards
bigger, faster, stronger.
Last year, the ladies struggled through a really tough season.
It's not an indication of our program, but it's certainly one of those days that you don't want to have again.
And I wanted to make a point that this summer we were going to become tougher. We weren't going to lose because we weren't the toughest team on the court.
The toughening up on the court wasn't held for just the football field for the Lady Redbirds.
Let's go to work!
And the Lady Cards' time in the weight room has resulted in some noticeable changes in Coach Tidwell's team.
They look stronger. They're starting to get really defined, on their shoulders. They all like to wear sleeveless shirts and everything, which is cool. But they're getting more defined, and they are in shape.
The LU women aren't just in shape physically. It's been full participation by all 12 Lady Cards in Summer Session 1. That's right, summer school on top of their training regimen. It's the complete package, both physically and mentally strong for LU.
We've been working out really hard. We're trying to get mentally strong, and we feel like that's going to change the game for next year.
And change is something the Lady Cards are shooting for in their upcoming year. If their off-season program is any indication, it's mission accomplished.
These girls are on point. They're ready to rock and roll.
Team on three. 1, 2, 3. Team!